It's a Monday morning. Somewhere in Bangalore, a food delivery company has just lost 12% of its orders. Nobody knows why. The marketing team is panicking. The operations team is blaming the app. The CEO wants answers by 6 p.m. And the only person who can solve this mystery is not a hacker, not an engineer, and not someone with an IIT degree. I'm a data analyst, and today, that analyst is you.
Hi, this is Gauri and welcome to Masai Labs, where we teach you careers, tools and skills that will actually get you hired. No fluff and no gyaan. In today's video, we are going to solve that exact mystery you just saw. And along the way, we will learn what a data analyst actually does for 8 hours a day. The real tasks, the real tools, the real salary, and honest signs that will tell you whether this career is made for you or not. Now, we've split this journey into 5 levels. We are all 5 and you will know more about this career than all of those people who write transitioning into a data analyst in their LinkedIn bio. Let's go. Level 1. The one-line answer. So every company today is sitting on a mountain of data. Think about your own day. You order breakfast from Swiggy, you book an Uber to go to college, scroll Instagram for say 20 minutes, and you use ChatGPT to fix your assignment at night. Every single one of those actions creates data. And every single one of those companies store it. But here's the thing. Raw data is useless. It is just numbers sitting on a table. A data analyst is a person who turns those numbers into decisions. The company speaks the language of business. The database that I just spoke about speaks the language of numbers. Data analyst is that one person in the room who speaks both of these languages fluently. In fact, even the AI tools that everyone is obsessed with right now, like ChatGPT and Gemini, were trained on data that someone had to collect, clean, and understand first. So data is the fuel and analysts are the people who refine it. So level 1 cleared, but a definition is very easy, right? So let's see what this job actually looks like on a real Monday morning. Level 2, the 12% mystery. Remember the intro? You are the analyst now. The manager's message is sitting in your inbox. Orders in Bangalore dropped 12% last week. Find out why. Now here is our 5-step mission for this. Step number 1, pull the data. You open SQL and you write a query. And before you panic looking at this, let me tell you this SQL is more close to English than it is close to coding. This query is literally just saying, give me all the Bangalore orders from last 2 weeks. That is it. Step number 2, clean it. Real company data can be very messy. There are duplicate entries, there are missing values, there is Bangalore spelled in 3 different spellings. Now analysts spend a big chunk of their day here. Honestly, more than anyone would admit on LinkedIn. And yes, tools like ChatGPT and Excel's built-in Copilot can now speed up this cleaning work. But you still need to know what clean actually looks like, or AI can just confidently give you the wrong information. Step number 3, find the story. Now, you have the data, you slice it by area, by the time of day, and by restaurant. And something interesting shows up. The drop is not spread all across Bangalore. It is concentrated entirely in just 2 areas. And only after 8 p.m. That brings us to step number 4, find the why. A little digging and there it is. A competitor launched its free delivery exactly in those 2 areas during the same week. Mystery solved. Step number 5, communicate it. Now this is the part that nobody talks about. You build one clean chart and write a summary that a non-technical manager can read and understand in under 30 seconds. It goes like, the 12% drop is concentrated in 2 zones after 8 p.m. and it is driven by a competitor's free delivery offer. Recommendation, run targeted offers in those 2 zones. Case closed. That is the job. It is detective work with data. And also notice what you did not do. No machine learning model, no fancy coding, and no hacking scenes from a movie. Just good questions answered with evidence. Let's jump on to level 3, the skill tree. So what do you actually need to play this role in real life? 5 skills and in the exact order. Skill number 1, Excel or Google Sheets. Still the number 1 tool in the real world. It's not glamorous, but it quietly runs every single company that you can name. Skill number 2, SQL. Now this one is a non-negotiable. It is how you talk to databases, and most people get comfortable with this in say 2 months of good practice. Number 3, one dashboard tool. Power BI or Tableau. Pick one and go deep. Do not try to learn both in the beginning. Skill number 4, basic statistics. Averages, percentages and trends. This is just school level math which is used well. It is not PhD level mathematics. Skill number 5, and the most underrated one of all, communication. Explaining your findings in simple words is what separates a good data analyst from an average one. Now, the question that everyone asks, what about Python? What about AI? Python is a great bonus and it opens bigger doors later. Here's the honest truth about AI. Tools like ChatGPT can write SQL queries for you today. But AI can only answer the question you ask it. Knowing which questions to ask and whether the answers are making sense for the business is exactly the skill that companies pay analysts for. So AI is your calculator, you still need to be the mathematician. Here is what you do not need: a computer science degree, an IIT tag, 4 years of preparation. This remains one of the most realistic entry points into tech today. Let's talk about level number 4. Salary reality check. Let us honestly talk about money because that is why half of you clicked on this video. In India, most fresher data analysts start somewhere around 4 to 6 lakhs per year. Service companies might pay a little lower, while product companies and fintechs offer around 8 lakhs or more for strong candidates. With 2 or 3 years of experience, 8 to 15 lakhs becomes a cakewalk. And from there, your career branches out beautifully. Senior analyst, product analyst, business analyst, or the data science route if you go deeper into Python and machine learning. And here is the part that makes this career genuinely future-proof. Every single industry needs this role. Banks use analysts to detect frauds, hospitals use them to predict patient loads, IPL teams use them to plan auction strategies, Netflix and Hotstar use them to decide which shows get made. Even the biggest AI companies in the world need analysts to measure whether their models are actually improving. So this is not a passing trend, it is a core business function now. That brings us to the final level, level 5, the final boss. Is this career for you? There are 3 honest signs that decide if this is your path. So check yourself as we go. Sign number 1, you enjoy asking why. Why did sales drop? Why did that reel go viral? Why does the canteen run out of that one dish first? Sign number 2, you enjoy solving puzzles more than memorizing syntax. Sign number 3, you can explain a very complicated thing in a very simple manner to a friend. If you ticked all 3 boxes, then this career genuinely deserves a serious look from you. So, you've cleared all 5 levels. So, if you were to remember just one thing from this entire video, remember this: a data analyst turns raw data into decisions. This job is curiosity plus evidence. And the entry barrier is actually way lower than you think. Excel, SQL, one dashboard tool, and the habit of asking good questions. This video is a part of our Career Explained series here on Masai Labs. In the next episode, we are going to be breaking down the complete data analyst roadmap. Exactly what to learn, in what order, with free resources, and you can start immediately. Tell us in the comments which career you want explained next: product manager, DevOps, or cybersecurity. And if this video cleared even one doubt for you, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. It will genuinely help us reach more students who need this. So see you in the next level.